everyone, I'm here at Dollar Tree. Look at these gorgeous tumblers. They're only $1.25. They come in all these different pretty colors, the pink, the coral, the blue, and this white shimmery rainbow color. They're just like the Starbucks ones that retail for $29.99. And here, these are made out of glass. I thought they were plastic, but they're not. They're glass, and they have this little rubber top. That's an awesome deal. All of this grilling thing, I love this. Grill, eat, chill, repeat, good eats for your ketchup and mustard. Here is one of those scrubbing things for the grill to get the food off. Love these for these deli baskets. You get 4 for $1.25, 25 of these adorable napkins, and this wax. Oh, these go in the basket. Look at that. So you get those to put in the baskets. Love these corn trays, and all of this is only $1.25. These are really good deals. Deluxe barbecue tongs. These are really nice. I don't know how they sell this stuff for $1.25 because anywhere else it would be more than that. Love this large deluxe barbecue spatula. Super nice. There's all of these things you need for grilling. Love these little pot holders, oven mitts. They are so cute. And we've got some corn holders. Those are just like the ones I grew up with. So nice. These tong turners, bamboo skewers. And you get 100 of these bamboo skewers for only $1.25. Super awesome deal. These, you can never have too many of these expandable barbecue forks for hot dogs, marshmallows, whatever you want to roast. We've got these really nice tong things that turn. Tong turners is what they're called. Super nice for just $1.25. Super good deal. What else do we have? Let's see. These are always handy to have. These wood cocktail toothpicks. And then these are really super adorable. Look at these parasol picks. I love those. Okay, now I'm in the $5 section. Here is a swim cover up. It comes in black and white. Really soft material, kind of sheer. You can see it in the picture. Super pretty. This Hello Summer tote for $5. It looks really sturdy. Super pretty. Then they've got these beach towels for $5 and nice colorful colors. Really soft material. Love these vacation. Love those. Here we've got little bags to put all your makeup, your lotions, anything you need for the beach or the pool. These are only $5 and they come in different styles, lots of different styles to choose from. I love these citronella candles. They are so handy to keep the bugs away, keep those mosquitoes away when you light those. For $3, that's an awesome deal. Got a cool hat here. Love that. More beach towels. We've got, what's in this box? We have some Myers cleaners, hand soap. Okay, Myers is a really popular product that people love. Got some more flowers down here. These are unique. They are beach chair clips, 2 packs for $3. So they hold, I guess, anything you would need to hold, but probably your beach towel. Now for the little ones, there's lots of stuff to play with here. The golf and the bubble mower and some balloons. Fun. They would love these, or even adults. You could buy these for an adult party. Got some floats here. A cute shark. Oh, that would even be nice in the bathtub for a little one. And some chair to sit in. Look at how fun that is for $5. you sit in it. That would be fun to do. Let's see. Look at that bubble blower. Oh my goodness. Love that for $5. That's a deal. This H2O sinker, some water guns. Love this little wheelbarrow here. That's a good deal for $5 with all those toys inside of it. And here is the $5 bath section. This is really nice. It's one of those things you put down so you don't slip. Here we've got some different soap dispensers and different styles. Really pretty and nice to have. I love these washcloths for $3. Lots to choose from here. I mean, these are really good deals. Look at this pretty pillow for $5. This one says hello. Love that. What a good deal. These would definitely be more anywhere else. It comes in the white, and then on this back it has a different pattern. Okay, so look at this. This is only $1.25, and it's a thermometer. Got little flowers and bees on it. Pretty colors. Look at all these pots to choose from in different colors. This mosquito repelling coils. I've never used one of those. This Fleur Jardin. And let's see, we've got these incense. So they've got lots of things to choose from to keep those mosquitoes away. Wonder if these work. If you've ever used them, let me know in the comments. Over here, we've got all kinds of pruning shears, needle pointed pruner, all kinds of good things to have for only $1.25 to prune those plants. This one has the hanger attached, so those come in handy. These are only $1.25. Garden gloves. I need some more of these. Love these little trowels, I think you call them, to help you dig. These you use to hold up any thing you need to hold up. And then I'm going to get one of these today. These are really nice to put to your garden hose to help water everything, or even wash your car. Look at all the different things they have here for gardening. Look at how this is only $1.25. These are really awesome, amazing deals. We've got all kinds of things to hang your pots, and we've got this metal wire fence here, these green rakes that are attached, and all these different tools here for gardening. And you buy this attachment, this bar attachment. Love this. Love these. These have pretty butterflies in them. They're solar, and you've got the different colored butterflies to choose from. I'm going to buy one of these and show y'all how it works. So stay tuned for a future video to see these. All these different solar stake lights to choose from. They've also got them in these pretty orange, purple, and yellow flowered ones. Very pretty. They've got some new dishes out in these gorgeous blue and white floral patterns, which are really popular. Everyone loves these blue and white patterns. You can get the bowls. These are all ceramic, super heavy duty. And then they've got the chargers, these silver charges, silver trays, and more these smaller plates, all for just $1.25. And I showed y'all in my last video, I want to show these again, all these different petroleum jellies. And then for different items that you might need for if you have a little one, all of these different shower items and the cornstarch, or adults can use these too. Here we've got these shower caps, 8 of them. Really good deal for $1.25 to have on hand. And they've got all of these, oh my goodness, just so many things to choose from here. I have used this this coconut oil and vitamin E conditioner. I love it. really nice. And so many different items here in this section. I really would love to try all of them. These I have not seen before. They are these, you can use them to take off your makeup with. And they come in different kinds. They're little facial cloths. So lots of nice ones to choose from here, 3 different ones. These would be really good to have. Here we've got this Dove Beauty Cream. This looks really nice. There's only one of them left, so they must be pretty popular for soft and hydrating skin. Then this Vaseline one, wonder if this one is good or not. Let me know in the comments if you've used it. It says it's good to make your body glow. I love these dispensers here. They are super nice. I love the different colors they have to choose from. And here we've got some other ones to choose from. These are only $1.25. So these soap dispensers and soap trays here. It's really nice to switch out in your bathroom. I'm going to end today with my favorite cookies. I absolutely love all of these. They're just like Girl Scout cookies. They are delicious. So if you have had as much fun as I have, and if you've enjoyed today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you again real soon.